Hello students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are discussing 9th class mathematics assignment number 54 related to the topic mensuration. Here is the first question. A cone is 8.4 centimeter high and the radius of its base is 2.1 centimeter. It is melted and recast into a sphere. Then the radius of the sphere is. Here one thing you remember. So every solid can be melted and recast into another solid, means always the volume is same, volume is constant. Maybe length will changes or sometimes radius or breadth, anything change, but volume never change, right? Volume is always same. So if I take cone, so volume of the cone is equal to melted recast into sphere, right? Volume of the sphere, that is clear, right? Volume is never changes. So volume of a cone, what is volume of cone? 1/3 pi r square. Suppose r1 is the radius of the cone, I will take r1 is the radius of the cone. Pi r1 square h is equal to volume of sphere, recast into sphere, right? Volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Here I will take r2. Volume of the radius of the sphere is r2. I will take r2. So that implies here pi and this pi get cancelled. This 3 and this 3 get cancelled, right? So r1 square into h. What is r1? What is the radius of the cone? That is 2.1 centimeters, right? So 2.1 into 2.1 into what is h? 8.4 is equal to 4 into r2 cube. 4 into r2 cube. This 4 how many times? 2.1 times, right? 2.1 times. So that is equal to, that implies 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. That is 21/10 whole cube is equal to r2 cube. That implies r2 is equal to 21/10 implies r2 is equal to 2.1 centimeter. What is this r2? R2 is nothing but radius of the sphere. So radius of the sphere is 2.1 centimeter. That is option 2 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one. If the radius of the sphere is doubled, then the ratio of surface areas of original sphere to that of the sphere, that of the required sphere is. Required sphere is nothing but after radius is doubled, right? So what is the surface area of a original sphere? Surface area is 2 pi r square. Surface area is, surface area 4 pi r square, right? 4 pi r square by 4 pi into required sphere. So the radius of the sphere is doubled. Doubled means r became 2r whole square, right? This 4 pi get cancelled. That is equal to r square by 4r square. R square cancel. That is 1:4. So the correct answer is option 3. Original surface area, that is 4 pi r square by, after radius we will take double the radius of the original sphere, right? So that is 2r whole square. 1:4. So option 3 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one. The radius of a sphere is 9 centimeters. It is melted and drawn into a wire of diameter 2 millimeter. Then the length of the wire in meters is. So wire. Generally wire is in the form of cylindrical, right? Wires are in cylindrical shape. So radius of the sphere 9 centimeters is melted, means volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the cylinder. So volume of the sphere 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square h. So here this one r1 I will take, radius of the sphere r1, and radius of the cylinder I will take r2. radius of the cylinder I will take r2. This pi get cancelled. That implies 4 by 3 into r1. r1 means radius of the sphere, that is 9. 9 into 9 into 9, 9 cube, right, is equal to r2 square. What is r2? r2 is radius of the cylinder, means wire. So diameter of wire given 2 mm. So radius of r2 is equal to given 1 mm. This 1 millimeter converted into meters, so that is equal to 1 by 10 centimeters, right? 1 by 10 centimeters. So radius of the cylinder is 1 by 10 centimeters, that is 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into h. So 3 3s are, that implies 3 4s are 12, 9 9s are 81. If you cross multiply into 100 is equal to h. H is nothing but length of the wire. That implies 12 ones are 12, 12 1 97 into 100 centimeter is equal to h. Now he is asking length of the wire in meters. Meters means, that implies length of the wire h is equal to 972 into 100 by 100 meters. 100 get cancelled, that is equal to 972 meters. So answer is option 1, 972 meters, right. Now coming to the next one. A metallic sphere of radius 10.5 centimeters is melted and then recast into small cones, each with radius 3.5 centimeter and height 3 centimeter. Then the number of cones thus formed are, right. So one sphere is melted and recast into small cones. How many cones? Some n number of cones, right. So volume of the sphere is equal to n number of volume of n number of cones. Volume of n number of cones means volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube is equal to n volume of n number of cones, right, n number of smaller cones. So n into 1/3 pi. So suppose I will take r1. r1 is the radius of the sphere, and r2 is the radius of the cone. Pi r2 square h, right. That implies 4 by 3, this pi and this pi get cancelled. 4 by 3 r1. What is the radius of the sphere? That is 10.5 whole cube is equal to n into 1 by 3 into r2. What is the radius of the cone? Radius of the cone is 3.5, right. So 3.5 into 3.5 into height is 3 centimeters. Height is 3 centimeters. These 3 get cancelled. That implies 4 by 3 into, for simplification, here 105 by 10 into 105 by 10 into 105 by 10. I will multiply and divide with 10. This point move right side, right. 105 by 10 into 105 by 10 into 105 by 10 is equal to n into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10, right. So this 10 10 and 10 get cancelled, 100. So 35 here 3 times, right. Again this 35 here how many times? 3 times. Now this 3 and this 3 get cancelled, and these 2 5s are 21 5s are again 2 times, right. That is equal to 2 into 21, 42 into 3, that is equal to 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 3 4s are 12. So 126. So how many number of cones will form? 126 cones. So the answer is option 4. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.